Do you know that there's an easy way to remember my value? Make sure to watch until the end for you to know how.
For today's tutorial, we'll talk about the addition and subtraction of polynomials. Now let's proceed to the addition of polynomials. In adding polynomials, you should only add like terms. So, what are like terms? Like terms are terms that has same variable and same exponent. These are some examples of like terms. 7x squared and 3x squared. You can notice that they have the same variable, which is x. And they also have the same exponent or degree, which is 2. Here's another example, 5z and z. Now, try to identify which among here are like terms. From the given terms, our like terms are y, 7y, and 5y. Now, identify the like terms from these given terms. Like terms here are 9x squared y and x squared y. So, let us now proceed to the addition of polynomials. Our first given is 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 7 plus 4x raised to 4 minus x cubed plus 10. From the two given polynomials, let us know first what are the like terms. First like terms are 3x cubed and negative x cubed. The second one is negative 7 and positive 10. You can use this method to get the correct answer easily. First is negative 7 plus 10. You just need to apply what you have learned from our previous tutorial, which is addition and subtraction of integers. In this case, negative 7 plus 10 is also equal to 10 minus 7. So, our answer is positive 3. Next, you just need to bring down 5x squared. Then, 3x cubed plus negative x cubed. It is also equal to 3x cubed minus x cubed. So, it is equal to positive 2x cubed. Lastly, bring down 4x raised to 4. Then you'll get 4x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 3. Now, let's try this one. 5y squared minus 7y plus 8 plus negative 2y squared plus 9y. Our like terms are 5y squared and negative 2y squared and negative 7y and 9y. First, we just need to bring down positive 8. Next is negative 7y plus 9y. It is also equal to 9y minus 7y, so our answer is positive 2y. Lastly, 5y squared plus negative 2y squared. It is also equal to 5y squared minus 2y squared, so our answer is 3y squared. Now, try answering these equations. You may click pause while answering. And here are the correct answers. Now, let's proceed with subtraction of polynomials. In subtracting polynomials, change the signs of the terms of the subtrahend. Let us try our first example, 4x squared plus 8 and negative x squared minus 4. Our subtrahend is negative 3x squared plus 4. And it will become 3x squared minus 4. Now, let's proceed by using their operations. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Next one is 4x squared plus 3x squared. So, it is equal to 7x squared. Let us move on to our next example. Our subtrahend is negative 11y squared plus 3y minus 8. Remember, before you proceed, you just need to change their sign. So, it will become 11y squared minus 3y plus 8. Let us proceed. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Positive y minus 3y is equal to negative 2y. Negative 8y squared plus 11y squared is equal to positive 3y squared. Then, bring down 7y cubed. Now, try answering these examples. You may click pause while answering. Then, check your answers if they are correct. And we're done! You may also visit our Facebook page, The Math Wiz. The link will be on the description box below. Always remember, in addition of polynomials, look for the like terms and do the operation. In subtracting polynomials, first, change the signs of the subtrahend. Second, look for the like terms. And third, do the operation by terms.
It's me again. For you to remember my value, you may recite this sentence. May I have a large container of coffee?